What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today I have a review on the company Can You Handlebar? The Goodwill scent. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. So today, like I said, we have a review on the company Can You Handlebar? The Goodwill scent, which is an orange and clove scent, and we'll get into that in a second. But as you guys know, if you follow me, especially on Instagram, and if you don't, I'll link it somewhere right here. Beard Talk with Matt, same exact handle. Follow me on Instagram. And if you know, I'm huge into my sports, and I got to show this off, and I got to give a big congratulations to the Boston Red Sox. Look at this fitted hat I just picked up. It's got the gold patch, champions, Boston Red Sox. That is absolutely awesome. This is one of my favorite championship hats out of any sports I've had. I like the patch. It's nice. It's not like a paper patch or anything like that. It's like embroidered on. It's great. Fantastic. Congratulations to the Sox. Wicked happy about that. Anyways, let's get back to the review. So, like I said, the Can You Handlebar, the Goodwill scent, orange and clove, and it's a great spiced citrus scent, and we'll get into that in a second. I like to thank Can You Handlebar for sending this product out to me. You know, this is one of the few companies I have never talked to any of the owners or any of the operators in their establishment. The only person I talked to is someone that was on their Instagram, and they when they asked me about a review, they said, "Oh, contact Adam." I think he's with communications and with email. So I talked to him, and he sent this out. Asked what kind of scent. This one looked intriguing. They got a lot of other intriguing different scents and products. They got all from your beard oil, your beard balm, your wax, your tools, your washes, everything a beardsman needs, especially as we start No Shave November. And I wanted this to be one of the first videos of No Shave November because it has this little thing that came with it that I'm going to get into, which I think is pretty cool, especially if you're just starting out and you're just watching this and you're a new beardsman and you're thinking about going the long haul with your beard, which I recommend. This community is great, and it's always great to have a beard. Keep it around longer than just November. Keep it around. Anyways, so thank you, Adam, for sending this out to me. And so we're going to get into this. We got the Goodwill scent. This is one of the Coolidge packaging that I'm going to show you here. The oil came in this right here. Came into this. This is how it came in. That's pretty awesome. It's really nice. It's made out of like cardboard. It's tough cardboard too. So nice little logo on there. They got the Can You Handlebar, and it's got the mustache. Smooth labels on there. They're nice and smooth. I like it. It's like it's business but casual. And Goodwill, it's nice. It's got a little citrus, little orange right there. So what I also like about this, it has the expiration date on this. This is telling me it expires September 20th in 2020. That's awesome. And then it has the lot number, which I'm not going to read to you. It's about 8 or 9 numbers. Then you got this on here, which is pretty cool. You know, I won't use this for anything, but I'm going to keep this and just kind of display it because it's pretty awesome if you ask me. So we're going to get into this. This lasts a good I'd say about 6 to 7 hours. I actually had it in today just to make sure because, you know, with different citrus scents, they don't last as long. But this one right here lasts 6 to 7, sorry. I'm going on my 8th hour. I can kind of smell some of that clove. So we got it's about a medium yellow tint, and it's on the medium thickness side. It goes in the beard beautifully, and it feels great in the beard. It doesn't weigh it down. You can definitely tell it softens it, and it gets it all hydrated and everything. And like I said, the scent lasts 6 to 7 hours. So, you know, right off the bat, you get that citrus, that orange and clove. It's a great mixture. It's nothing overwhelming. The orange isn't overwhelming the clove or the spice, and the clove's not doing that to that. It's mixed very well, I must say. I've had some where you smell too much orange or you smell too much clove and it's just too spicy or too citrusy. And this was mixed very well. So great job on that. This is a 1 ounce oil and it's $20. That's in the medium price range. It's not too bad, but it's not lower where you can get it low for some other products. But it's a great price point. And I'm pretty sure, I think I saw the bombs are also 20 bucks too. I didn't get any bombs, so I didn't do any of the research on that. So before them sending this stuff out to me, I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of the beardsmen have heard about Can You Handlebar. I mean, it's a great name. I really enjoy that name, like I was saying. So this The ingredients are on this, so I'm going to read it off of this. And they got some great ingredients. These are top quality ingredients. So bear with me. They got the scientific names on here while I look for the names I'm going to read to you guys. They got olive oil, grapeseed oil, rice bran oil. They got then it goes fragrance essential blend, which is the orange and clove. That's kind of new where it kind of goes there. I'm guessing they use more of the fragrance essential oils rather than some of the oils coming up. Then you got jojoba seed oil, and then you got meadow foam seed oil. That's a new one. I haven't seen that very many oils that I actually have. And the last one is the vitamin E oil, which is good. You know, it helps with your skin and everything. So this was great. I really enjoyed this oil. I've used quite a bit of it, as you can see. It's already down to where the label is right here, and I've had this maybe 3 weeks, I think. And I'm not normally the spicy citrus kind of guy, but I really like this. And it makes me want to try different spicy citruses and clove and oranges from different companies, so I'm probably sure I'm going to do that. Now, getting back to the No Shave November. Welcome to November. And if you're first time watching this, first time being a beardsman, welcome. The community is great, and it's great people, great owners, great companies, great people all around. So, like I was telling before, it comes with, when they send this to me, I guess I'm assuming they send this with every package they send out. It's little talking about their products and what they do, and it's a how-to guide. How awesome is that? That's absolutely awesome. It's telling you how to apply beard oil, how to apply dry oil, they call it in Can You Handlebar, beard balm, stuff like that, and then it's telling you how to apply mustache wax. And it gives you a breakdown, step 1 through 4, 1 through 4, 1 through 8, and it gives you good descriptions as I'm reading it, you know. And most bottles say place 3 to 4 drops, you know. If you have, it all depends on your beard. And it just has great stuff. Yeah, I'm reading this, and it's very descriptive, and this is a great how-to guide, especially for a new beardsman, and especially for someone that might not have experience with putting product in their beard. But just in general, this is nice to have. It tells you, it thanks you. It's thanking you for getting this. So, would I recommend this company to my fellow subscribers and followers? I would. And they have some other scents that look very intriguing. And I'm going to have to try some of these. And I'll have to maybe do some reviews on them. But Goodwill is Matt approved. I really enjoyed it. The price point is good. The company sounds great. The ingredients are great. And for my No Shave November brothers out there that's just starting out, this is a company that tells you how to do some things and gives you step by step. So, like I said, this was Matt approved. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay bearded.